Hello, another episode of We Bought a Campervan. As you know, it's a Ford Transit 2.2 rear wheel drive, 3.5 ton panel van, high roof, long wheelbase. What has occurred? We've done a hell of a lot of work to it, getting it right, changing things, adding things that should be there, getting it into his own way, his own liking, sort of thing. So, new sump gasket, EGR intake cleaned, new boost pipe, put a new stereo in it, JVC, hands-free talker, USB and everything, Bluetooth, put a new water tap pump on. We've sprayed the back doors because we had to take some stickers off. But today's little interesting piece is this, the spare wheel. As you can see, it's down and it's on a winch. Well, just to make sure everything was operational, I came to take this out. That fits in there, and it's an anti-theft deterrent to stop some people nicking you. You might be able to see in there, nicking your spare wheel. But that sleeve there, it broke away from that because it was stuck on the bolt. So what I've done, I've took it off, freed it off, welded a big fat washer onto it, as you can see. So I can just push it in there now, like that, and it's just dropped back in. But I'm not going to touch it because I've got to sort the back panel out. The doors, we've got a good dent in it there, look. So some point later on we're going to do the doors and, you know, do all the paintwork, bottom half respray. But what I did with this, if you've ever got to do one and this thing happens, it's thin enough round it, just chop round it with a sharp screwdriver. I did it with that. And then the whole lot will come out with that on, that sleeve. Then you take it off its vise, weld a big washer to it and put it back in, and then when we're done, I shall weld round it. I shall weld round that, and that's JD for that. But the main thing is we got the spare wheel down, and that blocks this up. I can never find it. That's it, we're in, look, and that lowers it like that. That's your key. So that were a bit thingy with the plastic, because it's a plastic wing nut that was on the wheel there, look. So now I've got to lift the wheel up and get that out. I'm going to take the wheel out, I'm going to check the pressures, just get the wire brush down, see how we are, make sure it's safe, and then it can go back under. So we'll see in a minute. And there we go, the wheel painted, tire pressure checked, cable greased, and now we wind it up. There we go, look, winding. Gets a bit heavy, you see it start to rise, and it does a spinny on it, that's the one. Put that there a sec. You need both hands for this, you get to weight it wheel up. that is that, look, into there. So yeah, all I can do now is just sit that in there, that bolt I made, you see, and then when we do the doors, I shall go in a second. When we do the doors, I shall weld round that, and that then over the locking pin, the safety device. But there you go, that's your transit spare wheel, took down, painted, greased. Make sure everything's working, because you never know when you're going to need a spare, do you? So that's it then. Here I am, all grubby and mucky again. Hoping to get out in it in the next few weeks, but I'm having my new knee in July, so 2 days after my birthday. So all I can say now is look out for us in episode 4, I do believe. We bought a campervan. That's it. Only thing left to say is see you later.